Good morning everyone. In quadratic equations, now we are going to read second method of finding the values of your x. We can find values of x for quadratic equations by Sridhar Acharya formula or simply by quadratic formula. So you know that this is your quadratic equation in general form, and we can find out the value of x by this formula, which is minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a, where this b is coefficient of x, a is coefficient of x square, and c is a constant term. Now this b square minus 4ac is known as discriminant. This is known as discriminant and is denoted by capital D. Now you see here, a is the coefficient of x square, b is the coefficient of x, and c is the constant. Let's suppose your equation is written like this: 3x square minus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. So what is the value of a? Value of a is 3. Value of b is minus 5. Value of c is plus 6. Now what you have to do, you have to put all these values in your quadratic formula, and then you can get two values of x. Now let us find out values or roots of x by quadratic formula. The given question is not directly given into the standard form, which is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. The question is not given in the standard form. So first of all, we need to change into standard form. So let's take LCM here. Now LCM will be the different terms which are present in the denominator. So x and x minus 2 will be your LCM. Now here it is x, here it is x minus 2. So here x and x will cancel with each other, and this x minus 2 will be multiplied with the numerator. So I can write 1 into x minus 2 will be simply x minus 2. Here it is minus sign, so I am putting minus sign. Now again in the denominator x minus 2 is present, so left term is x. This x will be multiplied with the numerator. So x into 1 will be just x. This is equal to 3, so I will be writing x equal to 3. Now you see, this is plus x and this is minus x. So these two are gone. Here I am left with just minus 2. Multiply these two values this side, so I can write it as 3x, x minus 2. Now solving it further, take this 3x, multiply it with this and multiply with this also. So I will be getting 3x square minus 3, 2 equals 6x. Now I am getting it as 3x square minus 6x. This when will come this side becomes 2 equal to 0. Now this is my standard form of the quadratic equation, which is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now you find out what is a here. A is your 3. What is b here? B is your 6. What is c here? C is your plus 2. Now we know that quadratic formula is minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a, and this gives me the value of x. So let's put all these values here in the formula. So continuing it, minus is in the formula, so I am writing it minus. B here is minus 6, so I am writing minus 6. plus minus is present, so you will be putting plus minus root b square. B is minus 6 and it's a square. Minus 4. A is your 3. C is your 2. So this is the value of 4AC. 4AC means 4 multiply A multiply C. Now by 2 into A, and A is your 3. So I am writing 3 over here. Now you see, I can do this minus into minus 6 as I can write this as just 6 plus minus root minus 6 square will be just 36 minus, multiply these, 4 3s are 12, 12 2 equals 24, whole upon 3 2s are 6. Now on solving it further, it is 6 plus root, subtract 36, subtract 24 minus 36, so I will get a 12 by 6. Now this 12 can be written as 4 into 3 by 6. 12 can also be written as 6 into 2, but I am trying to take a perfect term here, perfect square term, so that I can take it out. So this can be written as here as 6 plus minus. Now root 4 is just 2, so I can write 2 outside and inside I am left just with 3 by 6. Now this is one term and this is another term. I can take 2 again common out of it. So taking 2 common, I will be getting 2, 3 times is 6. 2 I have taken out. In 2 times table, 6 is coming as 3 plus minus 2 I have taken out. So it is root 3 by 6. 2 ones are 2, 2 3s are 6. Now what does it mean over here? It means we can write it as 3 plus minus root 3 whole upon 3. This is the value of x. That means one time we can put plus sign for root 3 and one time we can put minus sign for root 3. So I can have these two possible values of x, 3 plus root 3 by 3, and I can also write the value of x as 3 minus root 3 by 3. That's it.